Fold and make a Christmas tree. It's fun and so easy to make your own Christmas tree by folding a piece of green construction paper. Or use a real napkin. Here's how you make one. Step 1. Fold a square piece of green construction paper or napkin down the middle. Step 2. Fold the paper in half again to the left. Then turn it 45 degrees to the left.
Step 3. Fold the bottom corner upwards. Only use the top layer and leave a margin of about 2 centimeters at the top.
Step 4. Repeat this folding with each layer, always leaving a gap to the previous layer. Step 5. Turn the napkin so that the top is on the table. Step 6. Fold the right and left corners to the center so that the visible lines are almost horizontal. Step 7. Turn the napkin again so that the top is on the table. Step 8. Fold the top corner upwards. Step 9. Fold the second corner upwards under the resulting pocket and repeat with all corners. Step 10. Finished! The tree can be used as you wish. Also, decorate it to make it more Christmassy. See how easy that was? Please like and subscribe for more videos for students and teachers to use in class. The end.